Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. I've chosen some roses here to show you that are really reliable, flower from June until October at least, and are strongly fragrant. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 varieties, perfect for wall, fence or arch. The first one is a variety called Florentina, and Florentina is lovely double red, June to October flowering. Next one is Purple Splash, and it's exactly that. It's white with purple splashes, more open flower, but again, June to October flowering, adored by bees and pollinators. The more open flowers, they rather. Yellow Den and Golden Gate. Westerland and Orange, a little bit open as well, so very good for bees and pollinators. And then Elf or Liff, really tough, hardy, reliable rose, June to October flowering. Our last summer is deep, very deep pink, June until October flowering, and you have this gorgeous then Rhapsody in blue that's, I suppose, purple, but again very strongly scented. So all fragrant, perfect on wall, fence or arch, in a good sunny place, and non-stop flowers from June until October. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.